adding fractions. How do you add fractions? Well, you need a common denominator. So we have 4 over 5 plus 2 over 3. What is the least common denominator for 5 and 3? It's 15. So what do we multiply this 5 by to give us a 15? It's going to be 3. So we also want to multiply this 4 by 3. And 4 by 3 is 12. Then what do we have to do to this 3 to make it a 15? We have to multiply it by 5. So we also need to multiply this 2 by 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Then now, when we add them, we leave the common denominator the same, but we add 12 plus 10, which is 22. 22 over 15 could be the answer, and this is called an improper fraction because the top is larger. We can also write this as a mixed number if we wanted. And the way we do that, we ask ourselves, how many times does 15 go into 22? Well, it goes in one time. And then how many are left over? Well, there's 7 left over. So both of these are valid answers. We can check it, and both those answers show up. If you want to try more adding and subtracting fractions, I have this page on andymath.com with a lot of practice problems. I'll put a link down below in the description. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.
Andy Math.